Guys, I will show you how to fix Phantom app failed to authenticate. So actually you have a glitch. If you try many solutions and it doesn't work, you have actually a glitch and we're gonna fix it today. You don't need to open your Phantom at all. Just go directly, open the settings of your device. Click at apps option right now and search for Phantom and click. Here guys, you're gonna find this list, scroll it down, click storage and click clear cache. So just back, click on force stop and click OK. Now check your battery that is enabled on optimized mode. After checking this, go to Play Store or App Store and here try to update Phantom app. After updating Phantom app, you have to restart your device, and if it doesn't work, you have to uninstall your application and install it again, and I hope it will work with you and your problem will be solved. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.